Make money with Midjourney. Hi there guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make money with Midjourney. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first, to begin with this video, let me introduce to you a platform called Fiverr. So Fiverr is actually somehow the same like Upwork. However, with this platform, you can actually sell your different projects. So say for example, if you are selling your services, then you can actually post it right there and clients would go to you. All right. Unlike in Upwork, you actually create proposals for your clients and then you need to wait for your client to message you and whatnot. But it's actually different here in Fiverr because it's the client who would actually be reaching out to you. So here is actually an example of a Midjourney pack that you can actually sell in Fiverr. So here they have different kinds of plan, like the basic, the standard, and the premium. And each of the plans or each of the pack actually costs differently or separately. So for the premium, it costs more as well. So if you scroll down below, you can actually see the about the seller and also like what's the good things that he or she is capable of doing. And then you can also see the ratings of the seller right here. So yeah, there you have it. Now this seller actually sells a pack for $75 for her premium account or for her premium. Now if we go to Midjourney, you can actually generate image prompts depending on what your client would like you or depending on the niche that you would like to have or include in your package. So say for example, you would like to have a package for different characters or like a cartoonized versions of TV characters of a TV show. Like what I did here, I generated image of the person from Friends, which is Rachel Green, and then I cartoonized it. So here with Midjourney, you can actually create not only cartoonized but even realistic pictures of people or whatnot. So again, it actually depends on what your client would like you to create, and basically you just need to make use of all the prompts here in Midjourney. Okay. What's good about Midjourney is that you can actually also create like variations of the photo, and you can regenerate it as well if you are not satisfied with the photo that you have. However, when you are using Midjourney, before it used to have a free account, but as of the moment, they do not offer the free trial anymore, and their basic plan or their lowest plan starts or begins with $10, and that's only for 3 hours. So it's very limited, and you can only create like a very few images. So there you have it. If you would want to use Midjourney for the long run, then as much as possible, try to make use of the like highest plan or their premium plan basically. And there. Now, what's nice about Midjourney is that they also have this new feature, which is the remaster. When you remaster it, it makes the picture finer and it has a better version of the picture that you have upscaled. So here, there are also like, this is the regenerated images that we have created a while ago. So there you have it. Okay. Now, one downside with Midjourney is that you also need to wait sometimes for your image to be generated. It may take a while, maybe like 2 minutes max or 4 minutes max. There. If you want to cancel the remastering of the image, you can also cancel the job if you would want to. Okay. Now let's go back to Fiverr. Once you have created your packages here in Midjourney, you just need to go to your Fiverr sellers account. And right here, I'm in my Fiverr sellers account. Now I'm going to share my gig, and basically I am now in my profile. So to create a gig, I'm just going to click on this button right here. And then I'm going to input all the information necessary. So first, let's have the overview. So here we have the first statement should be I will. You cannot edit that one. So here you can say I will make bulk AI images in 1 hour. Okay, using Midjourney and whatnot. So under the category, we're gonna use graphics and design, and then we are going to look for AI artists there. Now, what we can do next is that with our gig metadata, we're gonna select the main AI engine we're using. So as for me, I'm gonna use Midjourney. And then we also have the positive keywords right here. So enter search terms you feel your buyers will use when looking for your service. So these are like tags when you are creating your, gig here in Fiverr. And now click on save and continue afterwards. For the next process, you're just gonna input your pricing details. So here for the basic plan, this would be the lowest price, and then the standard would be, like what everyone can afford basically. And for the premium, that's your top-notch, top-notch plan, or package basically. Now here you just need to add your prompt writing, your prompt delivery, include image examples, instruction included and whatnot. So there, you just need to tick on the boxes right here. And then for revisions, if that's for the basic plan, you offer 0 revisions. And for the price, you just need to input the price. Say for instance, $10. Now here for your standard, you just need to add your package name, and then describe the details. Basically, you just need to follow the process as what you did a while ago. Of course, you should have a variation for the basic plan, standard plan, and the premium plan. As much as possible, give more to the premium plan compared to the basic and the standard. All right. There, your delivery time. And then for the revisions, let's add some revisions for the premium plan. There. So you could also add extra services. So for example, extra fast delivery. If you do that, add that to your premium and whatnot. So let's save and continue. All right. So before we can save and continue, we just need to input all the necessary informations right there. All right. So now let's move on to the next process, which is our description and FAQ. So here you just need to briefly describe your gig. And then afterwards here, if we scroll down below, we actually have the FAQ. So you can add questions and answers for your buyers to see. And then you just need to save and continue afterwards. Okay, next here is the requirements section. So here you just need to get all the information you need from your buyers to get started. So here are like the Fiverr questions that they can answer, and you could also add your own questions right here below. So click on this button if you want to add a new question. Now let's move on to the next part. So for the next part, you need to at least like upload an image of your design. So say for example, here for the images, you can actually have at least one photo being uploaded. So the maximum limit for photos is up to 3. you have the video as well. So you need to have the video for less than 75 seconds and at least 50 MB. And then for the documents, you can see supporting documents that you created it, and then tick on the box once done and hit on the save and continue button. So I'm gonna save this draft first. I'm not yet gonna publish it, but the next process is publishing it, and then basically it will be shown to people and your clients and customers so that people would basically buy your products and whatnot. So here, let's go to our dashboard first, and let me show you how it looks like basically when you already publish it to the public here on Fiverr. So let me just click on this gig that I have, and basically it would look like this one. So you have the about seller, compare packages down here in the related tag section. Now here in the right hand corner, you could also see the basic, the standard, and the premium plan. There's like the box right there. And basically that's how you can make money with Midjourney. So you just need to sell all your generated images here at Fiverr. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.